What if the greatest discoveries of science weren't miracles, but nightmares? Imagine unlocking secrets so dangerous that even the scientists who uncovered them wished they could take it all back. From weapons capable of erasing cities to hidden horrors inside the human body, these are the discoveries that should have stayed buried. Science has given us cures, technology, and wonders that changed the world forever. But behind the breakthroughs lies a darker side, discoveries that were never meant to be uncovered. Some unlocked terrifying powers, others exposed truths we were never ready to face. These are the unsettling moments when science crossed a line, and the price of knowledge became fear. There are discoveries that change the world for the better, giving us medicine, technology, and knowledge that pushed humanity forward. But hidden in the shadows of scientific progress are findings that open doors many believe should have stayed shut. Some discoveries don't inspire wonder, they inspire fear. And once revealed, they can't be undone. Imagine uncovering a truth so unsettling that even the scientists who made it wish they hadn't. That's the side of discovery few people ever hear about, the darkest findings that cast long shadows over humanity. Take the story of nuclear fission. At first, it was a triumph, a breathtaking leap in physics that revealed how atoms could be split to unleash unimaginable energy. But that breakthrough also birthed something humanity never should have had: nuclear weapons. The mushroom clouds over Hiroshima and Nagasaki are a grim reminder that the pursuit of knowledge can sometimes spiral into devastation. Scientists like Oppenheimer himself later admitted they regretted being part of a discovery that threatened to wipe out humanity in a single strike. What started as curiosity turned into one of the most terrifying tools ever created. Then there's the field of artificial intelligence. Originally designed to make life easier, AI has already raised unsettling questions. Machines capable of thinking, learning, and even creating have begun to blur the lines between human and artificial intelligence. What happens when machines grow beyond our control? Some researchers have admitted they fear they may have unleashed something humanity cannot fully contain, a discovery that could one day rival us, or worse, replace us. But not all dark discoveries come from machines. Some come from deep inside the human body. In the mid-20th century, scientists studying a strange disease in Papua New Guinea uncovered something terrifying: prions. These are proteins that fold the wrong way and trigger a chain reaction in the brain, slowly eating away at it until the victim loses all control. Unlike bacteria or viruses, prions can't be killed with heat or medicine. They are virtually indestructible. The realization that something so small and unstoppable could exist was chilling. Even today, diseases like mad cow disease remind us of that discovery scientists wish they had never made. The exploration of space has also delivered its share of darkness. In the search for life beyond Earth, scientists found evidence of microorganisms that could potentially survive in the harshest environments. The idea that life might not only exist, but could thrive in extreme conditions, forced researchers to confront a frightening thought. If life can exist almost anywhere, what else is out there watching us? Or worse, waiting to find us? Some scientists admitted that the possibility of hostile extraterrestrial life is not science fiction, but a genuine concern born out of discoveries they never expected. And sometimes the darkest discoveries are not about what's out there, but about us. Advances in genetics revealed how easy it could be to manipulate the code of life. While this knowledge holds the promise of curing diseases and erasing suffering, it also carries the power to create unimaginable horrors: designer viruses, genetically engineered super soldiers, or life forms that never should have existed. The very key to life itself has become both a miracle and a potential curse. Even in psychology, dark discoveries lurk. Scientists once believed memory was like a camera capturing reality, but research into false memories revealed how fragile the mind truly is. People can be led to believe events happened to them that never did. If our memories, the foundation of who we are, can't be trusted, what does that say about our sense of self? That discovery shook psychology to its core, leaving scientists disturbed at just how manipulable the human mind really is. These are the kinds of discoveries that remind us knowledge isn't always light. It can be a shadow too. Once uncovered, they can't be unlearned, and their consequences ripple through history. Science will always search for truth, but sometimes the truth is far darker than we're prepared to face. So the next time you hear about a new breakthrough, ask yourself, is this something that will lift humanity higher, or is it one of those discoveries science may one day regret? The story of science isn't just about progress, it's also about the shadows it creates. Each dark discovery is a reminder that not all knowledge brings comfort, and sometimes the greatest danger comes from answers we were never meant to find. Which of these discoveries do you think should have stayed hidden? Let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more secrets science tried to keep in the dark.